Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. So the first step you need to do is to open Tonkeeper. So once you open Tonkeeper, you simply need to click on send. And once you are on that page, you need to go back and you need to open Binance. So once you are here, you simply need to click on the deposit on the top if you do not deposit anything, okay? And click on deposit crypto and you need to search here USDT. Click on that, click on network, and you need to select the right network that you need to find here. So Toncoin, click here. So here you can see that. Let me go back, select again network. So currently I have zero balance, so that's why it is showing. So let me show you the process that you need to follow. So that, let's suppose I select this one, but currently it is not showing because I have zero balance. But let's suppose if I have balance, then I have two things. One is this address name and comment. Once I add, I need to click on continue, and after that I need to add the amount, and my process is completed. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.